I'm sure that if you're watching this video, you want to become successful. But what exactly does success mean to you? The deeper you can go into that question, the more likely you are to actually perform the actions that lead to that success, the more likely you are to focus on the areas that are going to get you there. So one thing I like to do is look at KPIs, key performance indicators. Within the KPIs and knowing the right ones for you, that's how you're going to put in the right work, the smart work that allows you to achieve that success. So one of the big KPIs, the one thing that should really matter the most for your business is revenue. I mean, there are other things that matter like email list growth. That's a big KPI for me. The growth of my Facebook group is also a big KPI for me, something that I really measure to determine how successful or how much improvement my strategy currently needs. So having these KPIs in place allows me to know what to focus on. But you have this one big one like revenue, then other things like the amount of unsubscribes that you're getting don't necessarily matter as much. It's just end of the day, did you hit your revenue goal? End of the day, did you make this much income? It's not, oh, I didn't hit this goal, but at least I gained like, I don't know, 100 subscribers this month. I didn't hit this goal, but at least I did this. You don't want, once you set a clear goal of what you want to do, you have this one metric that matters the most. So for a lot of businesses, that should be revenue. Don't use successes outside of that one metric, in this case revenue, to justify if you don't hit that goal. A lot of the work that you should be doing should be focused on that one metric or just a few of the KPIs that you currently have. Anything that is not focused on those KPIs that you have for yourself, any of those things are distractions.